Did you know that over 90% of natural disasters in New York involve flooding? And most homeowners' policies don't cover it? Whether you live near the coast on Long Island or inland upstate, flooding can happen anywhere. Just a few inches of water can cause tens of thousands of dollars in damage. And here's the kicker. Federal disaster aid is rare, and even when it's available, it's usually a loan you'll have to pay back. Flood insurance is the only real safety net. At Sound Harbor Insurance, we work with top private carriers in the National Flood Insurance Program to make sure your home, your valuables, and your peace of mind are protected. We keep the process simple. Clear options, fast quotes, and guidance from a local team that understands the unique risks here in New York. Don't wait for the next storm to find out you're not covered. Click below to get your personalized flood insurance quote today. And let's protect what matters most, your home and your family.